is it. This is the last ride on my Royal Enfield Desert Storm 500. She's been with me since 2012, 2019, almost 7 years, and we've done about 22,640 kilometers till date. It's been an amazing journey riding her. I still remember the day that I booked the bike and I had to wait almost 6 months to get her, and I had to go abroad for my studies, and the wait was just never ending. And yeah, after all of those days of riding through all types of terrains, through different states, though I have not done much of rides on the channel itself because I started my channel only after getting my Duke 390. So there's not many videos I've made with the Desert Storm. In fact, I think there's just one video where guys went to Basadi Hills on the Desert Storm. So that's the only video that is there on the channel, and that's the only memory of a ride that is captured really well. So yeah, I've done quite a few rides. In fact, myself and Vikram, we guys met through this group of Royal Enfield riders itself, and since then we've been really good friends and we've been riding together. Feels very, very nostalgic and very sad when one of your vehicles has to be sold. It was a very difficult decision for me, you know, deciding to sell this bike. I kept it for almost 2 years after getting the Duke as well because I just didn't want to let go, but it feels really sad when you have a bike this good and it's just lying around. At least if there is someone who's really in need of it, they can put it to a better use. So I really wish the person who's buying this bike all the very best, and I hope and I wish you all the best, my Desi. Yes, I had named her Desi, and I wish you all the best, that you guys do a lot more miles together and the person who's taking you takes good care of you as well. So yeah, just as a part of your thing, that when you do your first ride, you also do your last ride. So this is the last ride on the Desert Storm. Me and Vikram, we're going towards McDonald's in Shulagiri towards Mysore, after Mysore actually, and Ashish, my cousin, he was supposed to join. Unfortunately, it's a Sunday and he's still not waking up. I tried waking him up, I did call him, but there's no sign of him waking up. So yeah, that's about it. And my SJ cam was running really low on battery. I forgot to charge them yesterday, so I don't know how much of footage I can record of the road itself. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is the last vlog on the RE Desert Storm. I feel really sad and really nostalgic about all the things I've done with her. One of the greatest rides of my life, which we all are going to cherish, was the Rajasthan ride that we did long time ago. We did have some footage of it. Let me see if I can get any clips of that. I'll try to put that in this vlog as well, because this vlog is not going to be a long one. It's going to be a very short vlog of us. So yeah, my story of riding with the Desert Storm till date is coming to an end. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a while once I touch the highway. This is the first time I'm recording through Ashish's GoPro Hero 7. Let's see how the quality is. There's no external mic setup on this. It's only the internal mic. I don't know if the GoPro is actually recording my voice. Let's test it out. And you can see Ashish is trying out his new gloves setup. And all the three of us are connected on the Sena 30K. Yeah, so there was a bit of problem on the bike. The valve pin actually got stuck because of the slime we had used to seal the punches. Luckily there was a puncher shop right here, so we got it done. Let's go. This, as you can see, is the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu border. Saying goodbye to Karnataka and hello to Tamil Nadu. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಹಂಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು. So guys, we finally finished our breakfast. We spent quite a good time chit-chatting in and around here, and finally heading back towards Bangalore, and that'll be the last ride of my Royal Enfield Classic 500 Desert Storm. It's going to be a really difficult time bidding a goodbye to her, but I don't have an option. So yeah, we really had a good time with the bike, and my adventures with the bikes are definitely going to be etched in my memories. And yeah, Vikram here would definitely remember our adventures on the Royal Enfield bikes. So yeah, that puts an end to an era of Royal Enfield with me, and I really wish the person riding this bike many more happy miles. So I'll just end the vlog here. We're just heading back home now. I'll see you guys somewhere else in another video. Take care, ride safe, ride hard, always wear your safety gear, never forget wearing helmet. Ciao.